Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how to connect a monitor to laptop. I have a laptop with a small screen and a big cool monitor. So how to connect monitor to laptop? First I need to plug the monitor into power outlet. Also I have a HDMI cable, and now I connect one part of HDMI cable to monitor and the second part to laptop. Connect, and you see the image from my laptop on the monitor. You see my cursor. For example, I will click on Start menu button. Hop, cool, really? Now I want to play some movie. Cool, really? But I don't want to see two displays, I only want to look at the monitor screen. To do this I need to turn off the laptop, after that turn it back on and close it. So I close the laptop and you see how display is turned off. I recommend, if you want to connect your monitor to laptop, first need what laptop will be shut down or power off. I power on my laptop and you see what monitor takes the image from laptop. And this trick is very cool, really.
Wow, yes.
Now I can use my keyboard from laptop, and I want to create from laptop and monitor a really PC. So I have a keyboard. I need to connect a keyboard to my laptop. I have a USB connector and connect it to... Wow, just look on it. Hop, hop. I have a mouse and you see a cursor, and I have a keyboard. And now I'm from laptop and monitor create my new PC. So thank you for watching this video, put like, write comment and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye!